We have received an interesting feedback from our customer that he said that, example, we want to apply this layer of the rebar firstly, and then next we will apply the rest layer of the rebar with the corner stirrup ladder. So in this case, the vertical rebar at this position and this position will clash with the corner stirrup here, as you can see. So he want to remove the vertical rebar at this position in this layer. To do that, in this new version of the wall reinforcement Python part, we have an option in Rebar tab, expand. This new option to offset second layer of the wall reinforcement to avoid corner stirrup. So let's see the result. When we click to this option, we will remove the vertical rebar at corner stirrup here, this position and this position. So when we put this layer of the reinforcement first, and then we put the rest layer with the corner stirrup here and here, we can avoid the clashing between them.